no, not another cash deal, Bob. This is your third cash deal of the day. What are you doing to me? Come on, man. You're like a cash magnet. That's not the way you handle cash deals in F&I. You know, it's all about a mindset. And if you have that mindset going into a cash deal, chances are you're going to make nothing. But if you have a different mindset and you look at cash deals as opportunity, just like you would look at a finance deal or a lease deal, you're going to make more money because you're going to approach it in a different manner. You know, it all starts with it in the introduction. Hopefully you've had a contact with the customer, you've spoken to the customer before they sit in front of you, and then once they sit in front of you, you determine it's a cash deal. Or the sales seller brings you a deal and says, here's another cash deal, and they just drop the customer in your office. You need to do that introduction, especially on cash deals, because you have to form that connection with the customer. And I think it's very important for you to do in the beginning when you speak with a customer is you determine how they're going to pay for the car, even if you know how they're going to pay for the car, by asking them simply, how do you plan on paying for the vehicle? And when the customer says, I'm paying cash, verify that it's real cash. Cold, hard cash. There's no lien on the vehicle. And once you determine that it's real, cold, hard cash, I think the next question you should ask the customer, and I want you to think about this, is why would you want to put your hard-earned money in jeopardy? Now think about that question. If you were to ask every single customer that's paying cash for a vehicle, why would you want to put your hard-earned money in jeopardy? What do you think they're going to say? Most customers are going to say, well, what do you mean? I don't understand what you mean by putting my money in jeopardy. How am I putting my cash in jeopardy if I buy a car with it? Well, it's very simple, Mr. and Mrs. Jones. The fact is, vehicles depreciate. They don't appreciate. Your money in the bank, whether it's getting 0%, is better than putting in something that's going to depreciate. And vehicles depreciate, especially in today's economy, much faster than ever before. Now, I get it. You're buying a vehicle that's going to hold its value at this point in time, but we never know what's going to happen in the future. Wouldn't you agree? And because vehicles depreciate, I want to share with you some alternative ways that you can buy this car. One way is what we call a one-pay lease. And how it works is keep half your money in the bank and pay half now. And then in 2 to 3 years, you can decide if you want to pay the other half. That's a lease, one-pay lease. And there are benefits to one-pay leasing. There's tax advantages, there's better rebates, there's maintenance involved. These are the things you need to say to your customer. How about this one? We have very low financing on the particular vehicle you're interested in. In fact, 0%, sub-vendor from the manufacturer. Why would you want to pay cash when you can finance this vehicle at 0%, if it's available? And now because rates are starting to decrease, interest rates, this is a great time to bring back the why put your money in jeopardy and show them the difference between financing and keeping their money in an investment or a high yield savings account or CD that yields up to an excess of 4% and show them that comparison. And that's how you convert customers who say they're paying cash. Now, let's face it, you can't convert everybody. In fact, conversions are very difficult, but you have to make an attempt. Because if you do convert the customer, you're there. If you don't convert the customer, then you still have to look at a cash deal with the same intensity that you would look at a finance or lease deal. One of the things you might want to say is because you're paying cash, most customers tend to keep their cars for a much longer period of time. How long do you plan on keeping your car? And they say forever. Well, yeah, you're paying cash. Because now when the customer says, I don't care if it depreciates because at the end I'll have something, you have somewhere to go. Knowing that you're going to keep your car forever or until the wheels fall off, or over 5 or 6 years, or even 4 years, at some point in time, you're going to be out of factory warranty. And since you're paying cash, it's going to be one of the easiest deals for me to do because there's not that much paperwork involved, and I really appreciate that. My job is very simple. My job is to make sure the paperwork is accurate, the state requirements are handled, and that you're aware of protection options available on your vehicle. We'll go through everything together. See, upfront transparency goes a long way with a cash customer. You know, because you're keeping your car for a long period of time doesn't mean that you're not going to have the perils of ownership. You know, I often joke, it's not an analogy, it's just a joke. I kind of throw it out there. You know, if you have a lease car, a finance car, and a cash car, and the bird's flying by, he's not going to miss your car. He's going to hit your car. And that pothole isn't going to move out of the way because you paid cash for the vehicle. And the rabbit running across the road ain't going to stop because he's going to say, man, that customer paid cash for the car. I better not run in front of him. That's not going to happen, Mr. and Mrs. Jones. The fact is, we don't have a crystal ball. And things do happen to even people who pay for their vehicle. And that's the mindset that you have to have when dealing with a cash deal. Let's talk about the menu presentation itself. We talked about things to say prior to the presentation, like why put your hard-earned money in jeopardy. There's alternative ways to purchase this vehicle. I'd like to share those ways with you. You may see one that's more beneficial. And if you go into every cash deal that way, you're going to convert a percentage of customers. But if you just go in dealing with a cash deal like it's the cash deal, it ain't going to work. And if you look at every cash deal the same way you would look at a finance or lease deal and present the menu, how however you present your voluntary protection products to the customer in the same manner, you're going to win. There's absolutely no question about it. So what I want to share with you is I want to share with you my take on a menu presentation, the presentation of voluntary protection products on a cash deal. So how do I approach a cash deal with regard to menu or presentation of voluntary protection products? You may want to say something like this. I know I mentioned it earlier. I know you're paying cash, which usually means you plan to keep the car for a while. Because of that, I want to show you the protection options that matter most for long-term ownership. You can choose whatever fits your plans. That avoids the classic, I'm paying cash, so I don't need anything. That wall you can eliminate or reduce by simply looking at the customer and saying, I know you're keeping the car for a long period of time, paying cash. Most people do. I just want to review the protection options that enhance your ownership experience. That transparency is going to go a long way. It goes a long way with finance customers, it goes a long way with lease customers, and it's certainly going a long way with a cash customer. One of the other things when presenting the products to the customer, you want to go down worry-free option, practical option, 2-column, make it short and simple. What is a worry-free option? A worry-free option has all the options that are available to you for long-term ownership, such as a vehicle service contract, which will cover you long after the factory warranty expires, and will pay for all mechanical and electric breakdowns, so you have no out-of-pocket expense with the exception of a deductible. It'll also provide you with rental car towing and roadside assistance. And if you looked at the conditions of our roads here, the tire and wheel coverage will pay for damage to your tires and wheels when damaged by a road hazard. These are the things that you need to say to a customer because you got to make them realize that they could run into the perils of ownership. So once again, service contract pays for all mechanical electric breakdowns long after the factory warranty, and you've already set up that the customer's going to keep the car for a long period of time. The tire and wheel coverage will pay for damage to your tires and wheels, so you won't have any out-of-pocket expense over the next 5 years. Then you have the fabric and paint treatment. You want to keep that car looking pristine, so when you do decide to trade that vehicle in, or if you go to sell it on your own, it looks almost as good as it did the day you bought it. So the fabric and paint treatment does protect the vehicle against the elements, keeping your investment free of acid rain, free of bird droppings, free of tree sap, protects the interior against any water oil-based stains. Then there's the windshield coverage, so you don't have to go to your insurance company and have them raise your premiums. In most states, they don't raise premiums, but you can say you don't have to make a claim on your insurance company and pay any type of deductible. Again, in most states, there's no deductible, but if you're in one of those states that has a deductible, you can use that. Or talk about how replacing a windshield, the integrity of the vehicle. Windshield is put in at the factory. This will avoid you having to replace a windshield and pays for any chips, cracks, or even a replacement of a windshield. Then you have key replacement. That will save you money if the keys were ever lost, stolen, or broken. And then there's the dent coverage, which will remove those unsightly dings, because you don't want to be running around in a car you just paid cash for with any minor dings or dents in it. You're going to be really upset. I mean, these are some of the things that you should say during your menu presentation when dealing with a cash customer. It's a different twist. Certainly no gap, but theft, okay? Theft is an important option for a cash customer. Because let's face it, just because you paid cash for the vehicle doesn't mean someone's not going to steal it. And you don't want someone to steal and you're out all that car and all your valuables in there. And the theft protection is one of the least expensive items to protect your vehicle against theft. And your insurance company will give you some type of a discount. So you'll save money on your insurance as well. So these are the options that are available to you with regard to long-term ownership, and most cash customers take advantage of these options. Which option makes the most sense for your plans? Very casual. Take a very casual approach and a very confident approach when presenting options to a cash customer. Don't be afraid. So let's do a recap, because it's really important that you understand that a cash customer can be converted if it makes sense. And especially when interest rates are going to start to lower. Especially when you say to a customer, keep half the money in the bank and only pay me half now. 2 or 3 years, like a 2 or 3 year test drive. In 2 or 3 years, you can decide whether or not you want to pay the balance off and own it. There are tax disadvantages to doing that because you got to pay tax when you buy it. You got to be right up front with the customer. Or perhaps the car's going to be worth a whole lot more than it is at the time the lease ends. Buy it and then sell it. Or just turn it in and do another one. And if you buy these options and you decide to trade the vehicle in early, you're going to get a pro rata refund as you use as a down payment on the next car. So rather than taking all the money out of the bank, you get a little bit more coming back to you. Again, cash deals, when going in with a cash deal with the right mindset, are going to make the biggest difference in the world. You have to look at cash deals the same way you would look at a finance deal or a lease deal, especially today in today's economy. Look, I want you to think about this as well. How many times you look at a customer sitting in front of you as an F&I manager, pull their checkbook out and start writing that check? They weren't smiling. They don't want to write that check. They're not very happy when they have to write that check. Think about that. Are you happy when you have to write a check? Are you happy when you use your credit card? No, you're happier when you get a low interest rate and you can make monthly payments. That's just human nature. So you got to give the customer the alternative alternatives. And if you can't get them to convert, then you got to go to the menu presentation. And I would start the menu presentation off with, most cash customers keep their car for long term. How long do you plan on keeping your car? Or I find that most customers keep their car for a very long period of time when paying cash. And because of that reason, I want to review options that are available to you to enhance your ownership experience, and so that you don't have to spend any unnecessary money. Non-essential, essential spending. Remember we talked about that? What's non-essential spending? That's money that you don't have to spend on this particular vehicle. And if you pay cash for this vehicle, you got to put the cash out, you got to put gas in it, you still got to maintain it, you still got to put insurance on it. That's essential spending. The non-essential spending comes when you get a flat tire, or you have to replace a rim, or you get a soiled interior, or you get acid rain on the exterior of the vehicle, you get a ding or dent, or the vehicle simply breaks down. That's how you deal with a cash deal. If you want more information on how to deal with cash deals, some verbiage or word tracks to overcome customers' concerns regarding the protection products that you have available to them, or how to convert, different ways to convert customers from cash to either leasing or financing with you, join us at prodprep.com or just visit us. Check us out. You'd be surprised what we have available. Until next time, go get them.